Hey, what's up everybody? It's Marty, and I know it's been a while since we posted a video, but that's with good reason. So here's the reason, but it's a secret. So come here and let me tell you what the secret is. We bought a house. That's right, y'all. We bought a house, y'all. Alright, so y'all gonna come along this journey with us as we turn this house into our home. So right now, you know, we're doing just a little bit of painting and stuff like that, but that's boring. So I know Jazz has a couple of things that she want to do for her office. I have a few things that I want to turn my man cave into a nice place for myself. So we'll be having a few videos coming out soon. Alright, so thank y'all once again for, you know, rocking and rolling with us. And before I go, let me show you the piece de resistance. We got a pool, y'all. So like I said, thanks for rocking and rolling with us. New videos will be coming soon. I know it's a coffee table that I'm trying to do, an accent wall I need to paint, and then just basically redo this whole basement over to turn into my man cave. And like I said, Jazz got a couple things that she want to do for our office and things like that. So you know, stay tuned. All right, so like that, this will be the end. Peace.